Shwmae bawb, welcome back for this week's Patrwm yr Wythnos, or Phrase of the Week. And this week we have a different question, but before I go into that, I just want you to have a little look at the question and see if you recognise any of the words at all. There might be a few that you do recognise. T we see quite a lot, which is you, isn't it? So we know it's asking a question to someone. But what about the words lyfr and ddarllen? If you look at the boy in the top right corner there, that might give you a little bit of an indication, an idea of what this question may be asking. So, pa lyfr wyt ti'n darllen or ddarllen means what book are you reading? Now, I know that all of you are very much interested in reading, especially in school at the moment, so I thought maybe this question would be perfect for that. So, pa lyfr wyt ti'n ddarllen? Let's try and say that to the ceiling. Ni'n barod? Okay, ar ôl tri, 1, 2, 3. Pa lyfr wyt ti'n ddarllen? Say it to your partner now, ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Pa lyfr wyt ti'n ddarllen? Brilliant, da iawn, gwych ardderchog. Okay, so to answer this question, you would say dwi'n darllen, followed by the book that you are actually reading. So, dwi'n darllen, I'm reading The Midnight Gang. Or I could say, dwi'n darllen Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix. Or some of you love these books, so you might say, dwi'n darllen The Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Okay, there's loads of different ways to say dwi'n darllen according to the book that you are actually reading. So it's quite the simple one this week. Now, again, you could extend your answers with this as well. So, for example, you could say, dwi'n darllen The Diary of a Wimpy Kid achos mae'n doniol. Doniol means funny. Okay. Dwi'n darllen Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix achos mae'n diddorol. What do you think diddorol means? Yeah, diddorol is interesting. So we can use lots of adjectives here as well to describe what we think about the books that we are reading. Okay, give it a go. And pob lwc. I'll see you next week. Da bo chi. Hwyl fawr.